So hypothetically, if the Interpol wanted to surrender a Filipino citizen and the former president to another court and not the ICC, that the Philippines does not recognize, the administration would have done that?
As long as it's in line with the cooperation to the ICC, the administration will do that.
The ICC or the Interpol?
Sorry, the government will do that as long as it's in line with the cooperation with the Interpol.
Basta the Interpol.
Gulo-gulo na.
Yes.
Oo, kahit saan dali ng Interpol.
Yes.
Even if hindi tayo naniniwala bilang bansa
Yes.
na may jurisdiction.
Yes, because we believe in the Interpol.
Ay, Diyos ko. Marcos administration, palitan nyo na yan. Hindi ba niya na-gets yung sinabi ni Karen Davila? Sabi ni Karen Davila, so pwede rin ba daw nalitisin ang sarili nating kababayan sa ibang bansa kahit hindi na siya ICC, basta sa ibang bansa? Kung pwede ba daw yun? Sabi ni Karen Davila, kasi inalaw nila ang ICC. Pero tignan mo ang sagot ni Clear. Clear, not clear. So pwede na pala, or okay lang pala sa gobyerno natin na litisin yung sarili mismo nating kababayan ng mga ibang lahi. Grabe, Clear.